Hello viewers and dinosaurs, it is Michaela Rex here with an unidentified bird that I caught a couple pictures of. Please tell me what this bird is if you can, viewers. This will also go on to a couple videos that I have shot of it and pictures. As you can see, it's kind of raptor-like. It has a lot of teeth around the beak. If you can identify this bird, please leave your thoughts in the comments, and if you know what type of bird this is, please tell me, viewers. Now here's the video.
Viewers and dinosaurs, this is Michaela Rex. Leave in the comments if you know what this bird is. Isn't it interesting? Bye for now, viewers.
Give me a second, viewers. It'll only take a second, viewers. But yeah, those are the pictures, and then I'll show you them again just to clarify. Please tell me, viewers, what you think of this. And this is a picture of it swimming off. And this is the last video I shot of it. It's that black thing on that rock.
The strange bird I've been talking about, viewers. And it's Michaela Rex. You'll see what I'm talking about. See?
It's that black one on the far left. The one sitting on top of a rock. Well, anyways, tell me what you think of it, viewers. Bye for now.